I analyzed 200 laundromat sales so you don't have to. Here is exactly what a good deal looks like. Most people jump in without knowing what good numbers actually look like. They see machines, I see data. After breaking down 200 deals, the patterns are clear. It's not just about the location, it's about the margins. Let's look at the breakdown. A typical good laundromat has a net profit margin of at least 30%. Compare that to a bad deal. High utility costs and aging equipment can eat your cash flow faster than you can count it. Here's the spreadsheet walkthrough. I've categorized every sale by revenue, expenses, and ROI. The gold standard deal, high wash and fold volume, and a lease that doesn't kill your upside. I've analyzed the real numbers, no fluff, just the proof you need before you sign that contract. Don't let a bad deal become a permanent headache. Use these numbers as your benchmark. I'm sharing the full spreadsheet and analysis in video description. Follow for more data-driven business insights.